Okay, down you know, one lock up in our house, Papa.
The radio said that it is still pending. This is the high.
Oh. So I call lock up in her so that the eye can't see you now.
Sleepy, how many get this?
Oh, it's my brethren one. Him roof blew off and him said me keep it for you, you know? No one to get wet. Hey, I man soon come again.
I soon come miracle.
Where do you think you're going?
I'm going to help Sleepy, brethren.
You and I very well know that sleep is not helping our brethren. Una must not stand to profit from people's distress.
All right, we won't look for a profit. We just try break even. Foul? Miracle, it's a sin for make the foul them drown, you know. Wait! I come in!
Well, I might as well go and find out what is taking place outside.
Why, Titus? Yeah. Jesus. Titus? As of today, I have newfound respect for you.
Yes, Titus, is where you learn them things there.
First aid, Miracle, first aid. Everybody should learn a little first aid.
You know, at first, I believe it was the pressure the hurricane get to you and make you get off of your head.
Is that me, Seto? Because me don't see no other reason why you should be making love to the chicken there.
So there is the first listen somebody do multi-mode resuscitation.
And the first me see them perform it on phone.
You won't find them with a drone otherwise.
Tell the truth though, Titus. Here's my brethren, you know. We'll be having laugh when we see a tough chicken there with them chest and a do all kind of things. You know?
It worked though. Me save a couple of them well. We can go in a jerk chicken business after the hurricane.
Just move with your chicken self.
What that? Hey, look here, come.
What?
In the yard. A satellite dish. Hey, what remember is who see it first, you know? Let go from the shot, the man. Let go from the shot.
Y'all know for put this
Eat.
And the house dish going, I go up on roof, and me have roof.
Titus. Wait. How did the phone them look like it's suffocating?